Yeah. So here I am at the Gunpowder Mills in Waltham Abbey. Just looking at the little model railways here. This one's an N gauge. Ah yes, it's got one of those, it's got Rusty, it's got Rheneas and Peter Sam. Where's Scarloey? Oh wow.
Daddy?
What? Yeah, that's right. Don't put it up.
Can you find them? Where's the donkey?
There's a cow in the train. Why not? Yeah, why not?
It's just a donkey.
Where's the donkey? I can see
There's two donkeys. The easiest one to find is that one there.
Yeah.
That's a goat, that one.
Oh, it's a goat.
Oh, it's a goat, right.
Wow.
Of course.
Donkeys have a cross on their back. So you can tell the difference.
Nice.
Cute.